Oh, it almost fell. Good morning. Happy, oh my gosh, I was gonna say happy Vlogmas. It's definitely not Vlogmas anymore, and I have not vlogged in so long. But I thought I would do a what I eat in a day today, like a realistic version. I haven't vlogged and I felt like, oh, it's so noisy. The ruffling the chips back there. Here's Kilo though. Just got a bath last night, so he's like super fluffy. But I was gonna do a what I eat in a day today just to get a video up. Somebody asked me, I think once on my TikTok, and so I figured I would just do it. So this morning I made some coffee, and I'll enter some clips here, I guess. And I also made an avocado toast. Gosh, I need to put this down. My arm was getting tired from holding the camera. But what did I do? I made an avocado toast this morning for breakfast because I got avocados from Trader Joe's yesterday, and if you don't use them like ASAP, they're gonna go bad. We always have at least one avocado that was not used, and it always goes bad by the time I want to get it, like within a few days. So I made an avocado toast, and I toasted it with some Dave's Killer Bread, and then I mushed the avocados. I always eat my avocado toast with the everything but the bagel seasoning because it's so good and it makes the toast so yummy, and that's like one of my favorite things to put on it. And then I put some sriracha, and I saw this one girl in a vlog that I was watching put honey on their avocado toast, so I tried it on one slice and it was actually really tasty. So I might start doing that. Oh god. So I might start doing that now. Yeah, it was so yummy, and I ate that around like 7:30, and it's like 10:30, 11 now, so I'm getting kind of hungry, so I might eat a little donut from yesterday. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys because I couldn't talk when I made breakfast this morning because it's still early and Justin was still sleeping. Oh no, there's something on here. So yeah, and my coffee was delicious. I used almond milk for that. I added a little caramel syrup, but it's the sugar-free one, so there's kind of an aftertaste, so I don't like to put like a ton of it because I feel like a little goes a long way with that. If I put too much, then it tastes super weird and not my favorite. But I'll show you guys what I eat for lunch later. So I'm gonna eat some of this donut. So yesterday we got Koufax. I should have vlogged yesterday because our food was so good. But we had Koufax. It's the breakfast burritos that Chrissy Teigen posted about like a while ago. And what? It didn't give me a stomach ache.
Last time it did, but it's just yesterday gave me a stomach ache.
Oh, weird. But their breakfast burritos are so good. Like Chrissy put it on her Instagram, and the next day we got it actually, and the wait was so long at Postmates, I think because she posted it, so they were getting a ton of orders. Pretty fast yesterday, and it was so good. I want to like get it again. But anyways, I also got a donut from them. We ate half of it already. It's like a coffee cake donut. So bomb. Mmm. I don't normally like cake donuts, but I love coffee cake. It's dropping all over the place. I'm gonna go snack on this and go back to work. Oh, but I do want to show you guys, we got these like jars from Amazon, and look how cute they are. Okay, we definitely need to get some more. What if I want to eat those chips? How am I gonna get it?
I'll find out.
Okay, just leave it there. Okay. So look how cute. Okay, if we had more jars, I would. Okay, look at my freaking nails. Just, I don't know what happened. I didn't buff them before I put the press on, so they all fell out yesterday, and I've been too lazy to put it back. But this hand is doing very well. Anyways, this is our snack drawer. I'm so extra. I wrote granola on here. Oh, Justin rubbed it off. And this is so good. It's the everything but the bagel chips from Trader Joe's. So good. And that's cereal that I haven't written on yet, but we have a few of these left, and I do need to put stuff in there. And then these are our other ones, the plastic ones. These are glass. These are so much cuter than these, and they actually gave me a pen for it, but I really like them, and I just need some more to put my Cheetos in and stuff. Love it. When we get a house, I'm getting like all this put everywhere just to make it look cute and organized. By the way, it's this one from Trader Joe's. It's so good. For lunch, we're gonna be doing grilled cheese with tomato soup. And
it's not tomato soup.
Oh.
French onion soup.
Oh. Grilled cheese with French onion soup?
Yeah, that's the rest of the French onion soup. Tomorrow's.
Oh. Okay, fine. Oh, I was so excited.
You can do tomato soup.
No, it's okay. We already have it. Done. So yesterday, Justin made French onion soup, and it was so yummy. Wait, for my cheese, can you not put as much cheese as yesterday? Okay, so he made French onion soup, and it was so yummy. I've been craving that. The one from Panera is like the best French onion soup that I've ever had, and I was really craving that the other day. So Justin made it, and he's gonna be doing grilled cheese with like ham. I started really liking grilled cheese because I remember this was maybe 2 years ago when we were hungover at Linda's, and she made us tomato soup with grilled cheese and ham, and it was just so yummy. So after that, I started really liking it, and I don't even like cheese like that, but lately I don't know why I've been like eating more cheese. Still not my favorite, but I love nachos. So we're gonna be eating that, and I'll show you guys what Justin is making. We got sourdough bread yesterday from Trader Joe's. Like everything here is from Trader Joe's. Here is a time-lapse montage of Justin making the grilled cheese. Look at that steam. If you guys could smell this, smell of it. It smells so good. Oh, more bread on top of our grilled cheese?
That's not grilled cheese.
No, that is. Don't they usually use like croutons or something?
Croutons is just dried up bread.
I know. Here he is sitting on my foot. Why you see my foot? Let's get one of these. Do you like that? We used to give him cheese as a treat, but we realized, I think, he had diarrhea, so maybe he's lactose. So we don't like to give him too much of it. But he loves it. So Justin's gonna cook it on the pan with butter now. Yo. Crispy. Cheese pull. Oh, show the inside. What? Dang. Panera who? This looks so delicious. Thanks, baby. Kilo's over there wanting our food, but oh my gosh, this seriously looks amazing. And I also have a kombucha. I usually have one of these when I eat lunch just because it's tasty. Let me try this. Okay, wait, let me try this first. Should I dip it? No?
Later.
Okay. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I need to fix my nails. Like, this is terrible. Yummy. I think for me, I could have done with just one layer of cheese.
One layer of cheese and one layer of ham.
That's really good. Now should I dip it?
Yeah. I think the same thing. It's like too much ham.
Too much ham or too much cheese?
Too much ham.
No.
He just called Capital Dad. He said, thanks, Dad.
What? No, I didn't. I said, thanks, man.
You see me as a father figure too?
No. Anything else?
Tell me what you waiting for.
So good.
Tell me what you waiting for. Tell me what. So tell me what you waiting for. Tell me what.
So full. So good. I've been filming TikTok for the last 3 hours, almost 3 hours. And I have a workout in 5 minutes and I still have to take off my makeup. I'm gonna eat the rest of this donut as my pre-workout. Oh my god. I have like 4 minutes. My one TikTok took me literally an hour. I'll enter it right here to show you guys how long it freaking took.
It is, bitch. I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am rich, I am that bitch. I am gonna go get that bag and I am not gonna take your shit. I am protected, well respected, I'm a queen, I'm a dream. I do what I wanna do and I'm who I wanna be. Cause I am.
But oh my god, that freaking outfit change is the worst. Okay, I have 3 minutes. Oh, I have one more bite. Oh my god, this is a big bite. Mmm. I just finished my workout and chatted with the girls for a while actually, and it's 7 o'clock now. Justin is making dinner. He's making stewed chicken. It smells so good. Yummy. We've got celery, onions, potatoes, and carrots, minced garlic, and we've got brown rice cooking in here. Looking for my son. Oh god, it's a mess in here. Oh, actually it's not as bad as I thought. Oh, he's in there. Do you see him? Whee! His hiding spot. Couple more minutes. I'm so hungry, so let's get a snack. And
Wait,
I just want
literally 2 minutes.
I just want like a chip. But I walked Kilo earlier and oh my god, I got so mad at him. And I'm not even looking at him. And if he tries to come at me, I'm like I'm so mad. He's looking at me right now. I just want a chippy. You see how cute this is? Did you eat the big ass chip? You did?
I think so.
So good. Ooh, look what Justin made. Chicken stew. Braised chicken with vegetables. This looks so yummy. If you could smell this, it smells so good. And we got some brown rice because, you know, balance, healthy. I actually really like brown rice. So let's eat.
Helps poop also.
Yes, it does help me poop. Oh, and those are my nails. Just ignore that. I'll put it back later. Okay, let's do a taste. Mad at him. Taste test. Potatoes. I freaking love potatoes. Hot.
Is it cooked up? Is it soft?
Soft. Why are potatoes so good? I think if I had to eat something for the rest of my life, it'd be potatoes.
It's so diverse.
Yeah, that's why. French fries. Hash brown. Potato wedges. Roasted potatoes. Breakfast potatoes. Yummy. Potato pancakes.
I don't think I've ever had potato pancakes. Mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes. I love potatoes. Okay, let's try the carrot. Oh god, I hate these chopsticks.
Really?
I'm really bad at chopsticks. Okay, hold on. I can't get it. There we go. Perfectly cooked carrot. We've been watching SWAT too. So good. But not the same as Criminal Minds.
Not as good as Criminal Minds.
Yeah, but still good. Now let's try the celery. I love celery. Okay, we're gonna eat. See y'all later.